Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. In today's video, I am going to share my March 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 project. So I have started these journals. Yeah, I've got a big goal this month. So what I'm going to do is do a series of tall skinny journals. These will be available in my shop when they're done. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, some of these will be available. I'm making some for gifts, and then some of them will be in my shop. So anyway, I'm just going to do a quick little flip through here. All of them are 40 pages. They're going to be single signature and just tied with a binding. And then I'll decorate them and put some kind of tassel, or I don't know yet. So they're all going to be similar, but a little bit different. If you caught my last video, my last month's challenge was a pair of sister journals, boho sister journals, and I had fun creating those, kind of making them the same but different. So these will be kind of like that. You'll see as I flip through them real quick here, kind of how I put the papers together. So all of them are wallpaper covered. These are vintage wallpapers from, I would say, the late 80s. So some of them into the 90s. Some of them are Candace Olsen, which is kind of cool. Like these here, these have little sparkles, like little glass beads on them, but I'll show those as I get into those. So these are kind of like silk wallpapers. And then I've got some book pages in there, a little bit more wallpaper, magazine pages. These are real sturdy ones. I like to use that. I've got some Edith Holden, some of Cheryl's dyed paper. If you've watched my channel, you know I use Cheryl's from Cheryl's Crafts. And I also use Valerie, no, not Valerie, I'm sorry, Scribe Vibes, some of her papers as well. So I don't make my own paper. I just buy them from my friends who make them. So as you can see, each one is very similar as we flip through here, but each one's going to have its own kind of little flavor to it. So I will decorate these up, and like I said, some will be in my shop, some will be given as gifts. So it's going to be a challenge doing 12 journals in a month. My goal was to make 12 in a year. My journals tend to take a little while. These won't take that long. And I've never really done a mass make like this, so I plan to do some upload some videos as I go along, so you guys can kind of see how I'm tackling it and how I'm doing. So just flip through these real quick here. So again, if you haven't checked out that hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, please do. I'm joining 5 of my friends who are journal makers, and we're getting all of the journals off of our bucket list and into the hands of people who love them. So, or into our hands if our goal is to make it for ourselves. So I hope you join us. You don't have to be a journal maker. If you do any kind of craft, or you want to set any kind of goal for yourself once a month and complete that, please join us. I love these images from the book I found. It's on home decor, kind of like country cottage. So I liked how that turned out. So yeah, as you can see, they're just very similar. Quickly flip through them. So I hope you guys are enjoying the challenge. Be nice if you commented and let us know that you are enjoying watching our videos and seeing our creative process. It's always fun. Really pretty blue color there. These are daffodil dyed. And looks like I have 2 more here. And then I'll, of course, cut these down. They're all, I forgot to mention that at the beginning. I just have put the papers together at this point. So I will be cutting them all down so that they're the size of the cover. So it's going to be a lot of fun to put these together and give them their own little flair. So I hope you guys join me in the next video. I hope to have them all bound and maybe some of them done. And then I'll do my final flip through of all of them at the end of the month. So that might be actually 2 videos if it takes a little time to go through them. So please join me in seeing where this goes. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.